entrepreneurs who start startup, because most of the people, they do not know what is the meaning of a startup. I'm sorry to say this, they do not know what actually the mean of a startup. See, there are many factors you have to look into before you take up the startup. The first and the foremost is how dedicated you are, what is your background, how committed you are. Secondly, which is not actually viewed by people, what problem of the society you are going to solve by your startup. He has come up with a very brilliant ideas where, मैं अगर अपनी भाषा में आप लोग की भाषा में बताऊं, बाकी तो सब फायदे ही फायदे हैं. शुक्रवार रात को जब क्लब जाते हैं और पुलिस पकड़ता है, तो हिज ड्राइवर्स आर वेरी हैंडी. कॉल देम, they will pick you up in whichever car you want. They'll drop you home. Before picking, they take a video of entire things. After dropping, they take another video of the car and they post it. So it's very handy. You want it for 2 hours, you want it for 3 hours. That type of car you want, that type of driver comes. They are dot on time. They are well disciplined. I will not say educated, but well disciplined. Their backgrounds are checked, and they keep doing due diligence regularly. So this is the second part, that what problem you are solving. The problem is, I don't need a driver 365 days, I need twice a month, thrice a month. But not from the local people who provides anybody and everybody. I have a BMW, I need a proper driver for it. So he will provide you drivers for that. So what I'm trying to say is, he is solving a burning problem of the society, which is driver available at your call. Go to the app, book it, time, book it. At that time, 10 minutes before that, the driver will be at your doorstep. And it works on the same technology like Ola, Uber. Whoever drivers are available on that class, who is closest to that place, and then once they approve, he accepts the call. Third is, what is the scalability of this? Now, ventures like this have got a lot of prospect. He started in many cities. I think last is Bengaluru.
Yeah.
Uh,
You use our service also in Bangalore.
I to use this because yours. And most importantly, what is good about it is not only scalability, what are the potentials, and how it will be useful to the society. All these things are, anybody makes and it should not be 7 years old. These are the basic criteria. When we look into any venture, what are the profitability, how the cash flows are used, how much invested the owners are. Now this man is busy from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock. You give him a message at 10 o'clock morning. He will see it at 10 o'clock night. He will say, just saw your message, sir. Can I call you now? That level of dedications, always on tours. Started from zero, and I think last valuation was 100 crores. I entered at 10 crores.
And you entered at 18 crore.
I entered at 18 crores. And I'm not too back, I think 2 years. 1.5 years. And now today, all the big shots of Calcutta like Bhajanka ji, Keshav Bhajanka and all are on his list. It doesn't look like that because he's introvert, so that is why he's very sober. But I tell you, if you hear his stories, you'll really fall in love with him. Of late, I have decided that our sessions as a mentor should start with stories of people, how to make business successful with stories. Like Swati tells a story that here I came with a proposal where there was a client who asked me that courage to be converted into a shop, and he had a budget of 6.5 lakhs, and I told him that look, this is how I am going to do it, and we can still save 1 lakh rupees for other things. So those are storytelling, Storytelling makes your business more effective. Like I give you another example. There is a friend of mine, he's into logistics. Now, somebody came to him with 95 kgs of stuff to be sent to USA, and the cheapest quote he got was 21 rupees, and he wanted to sell it cheaper. So he said, my target is 30 rupees or 12 rupees, and if I send these samples on time, I may get a bigger order. These people, they arranged it for 11 rupees 50 paisa. The shipment reached in time. He got 10,000 kgs order, and that shipment was handled by him. But in between, dollar, rupee fall down, he got extra profit. So he said, sir, now I'll charge you 10.5 rupees. Now, a story like this inspires your customers, and they, while he's speaking, please listen to him very carefully, because he will be telling you right from the horse's mouth what and how he came to this idea, where from he started, what was the seed capital, what family background he comes from, and where he stands now. Over to him. आप felicitations करेंगे पहले या पहले
से start. Thanks a lot to everyone. Thanks, sir, for the warm and warmest introduction about me, and thanks to you, sir, as well. And thanks all of you who have come today. Whoever is sitting here, they already have done something in their life. They already passed a big lap of his life, and also I don't want to give any gyan or any understanding how to do business and all. And I am maybe one of the youngest among you. So I'll just give my life story, how I have started, what I have done in my business, and from what instance we found this idea that it might work in future. So yeah, so basically let's start with that. So it's a college project, okay? It's a fully straightforward college project. In our third year, one of our very close friend, he missed his exam, because whenever there is exam, we are very middle income Bengali families. What we have कि हम लोग का घर में एक गाड़ी रहता है, but the गाड़ी we can only use for the exam days. Okay, so there is a similar thing for him also. So in the exam days, he used his father's car, and he booked over call from the nearby driver centers, and it was running good. कुछ दिन तक सही चल रहा था, but in a day, I still remember that's one of our data structure paper. I am coming from a computer science background, computer science engineering background. So the driver kept telling him कि I'm coming, I'm on my way. It will need not more than 10 to 15 minutes to reach, and he keeps telling that. But when it's the end time, he book a Ola or Uber, maybe a cab, and he came to college. Our college was bit strict on latecomers, and he is not allowed to sit for the exam because he was something around 26 minutes late, and it's a very tragic thing for him because it is the third year, second semester, and for a BTech student, it's very important his third year, because in the fourth year you have to sit for the placements. So as he missed his exam, he got a backlog in that specific paper, and maximum of the big companies, big MNCs, they are not allowing him to sit for the placement. So you can understand, a very big mishap happened in his life. From that instance, I, along with my co-founder Parmarth, so we planned something कि there are multiple solutions available for app cabs. Okay, previously we were using Kala Pila taxi. Now we were using Ola, Uber. The checkings and everything is done. You can track the driver, the cabs, and all. 24/7 service, no refusal. This type of systems you are getting. But in driver booking, there is nothing in place. So what we tried कि let's make a small app, okay, or a website, and just give the option to the customers to come and use the platform. Something very easy, and I am not coming from a business background. I don't have any business acumen in that point of time, and my co-founder is also coming from a non-business background. So we are saying कि यार चलो करते हैं, and it's college time, तो energy was at the fullest. हाँ करेंगे, startup करेंगे, something like that. So we developed a app and we developed a website and we planned कि इसको on कर देंगे, बाकी तो करोड़ ऐसे ही कमा लेंगे. That is the what planning we have in our initial days. So we started it, but very initially we have understood कि सर business तो ऐसे नहीं होता है. And there is no godfather, no one is there to make us understand कि नहीं भाई तुमको ये करना पड़ता है, this is the file, this is the process, you have to make a registrations and all. तो हम लोग क्या किया, normally we started the company, तो we informed our college director कि sir this is what we are planning and this is the app we have developed. So now the next stage is we need to host the servers and all, so we need some money. So I and Parmat both were doing good amount of projects with college, with multiple big projects also. Some brain computing interface on which we have worked earlier. We have done. That time we had done multiple paper presentation in IEEE. We presented a paper in Vancouver also. So we have a very good like rapport with the college management, and very soon they approved a very small like grant from college. You started because you need it, because otherwise without this small amount of money you can't start it. Okay, so we took the money, and we are coming from a, as I mentioned, non-business family. We are like नहीं पैसा तो नहीं खर्चा करना है, पैसा रख देते हैं, जितना लगता है, जितना मिनिमम लगता है बस उतना ही खर्चा करेंगे. That is from day one till today also I have that mentality in my place कि नहीं खर्चा ज़्यादा नहीं करना है, जितना कम पे हो सकता है उतना कम करना है. So now it started. What happened after we just completed our college, we got our jobs. Both of us were placed in a very good MNC company. Like the package was also very good. I was placed I was transferred to Bangalore. My co-founder was transferred to Pune, and you can understand this. Again, there is a time when it's a verge of closing the business. कि नहीं अभी छोड़ देते हैं, क्या ही करेंगे? I am sitting in Bangalore, खाना ही सही से नहीं मिल रहा है. First time I'm in Bangalore, and in every food the tastes are different, and every time in Kolkata I used to have my mom's का हाथ का खाना and all. तो let's say कि यार अभी इसको रखते हैं क्योंकि सर्वाइवली अभी मतलब प्रॉब्लम हो गया है. अभी मतलब ये बिजनेस करके क्या फायदा? Same similar with my co-founder Parmat. So what we decide कि let's run it for next couple of months to understand what is the things all about. If otherwise we will plan to close it. This is in 2019. Okay. So then for next few days we have worked, but one day what I understood that if we take this path, this MNC, this job, this path, then there is no turning back in next 20 to 30 years. Okay, तो जितना भी सपना था about the startup, जितना भी सपना था about to making a company, to help others to build something, to help other people to earn something from out of it, तो वो सब तो छोड़ना है. तो we said कि let's try at first to come back to our home.
Like a description of a social
So basically,
enterprise.
at first, like we gone through all the HR paperwork in our company, and we found some things कि हाँ, if we apply in this domain, then we can get a transfer to Kolkata back. So we applied that, and we came back to Kolkata. Now you can say that is the starting point of the journey. When we are ready कि चलो अभी तो कोलकाता आ गए हैं, अभी तो सब कुछ एकदम next level कर देंगे. We start करके समझ में आया this is not that easy. Okay, we have the app, we have some downloads, but कोई booking ही नहीं कर रहा है. Now we have to inform the customers कि this is a trust platform where you can come and you can get drivers. And उतना तक हम लोग को समझ में आ गया था कि this is not only a platform. You have to take responsibility. You have to take the ownership of all the drivers. If today your driver is making any bad thing, you will be responsible. पहले हम लोग को लगता था कि यार कुछ भी है, हम तो बस बीच का पार्टनर है. कस्टमर आएगा, ड्राइवर को चूज करेगा, जाएगा, जो भी होगा हम लोग का क्या. पर उधर उस टाइम से ना हम लोग का थोड़ा बिजनेस मेंटलिटी चेंज होना स्टार्ट हुआ. थोड़ा शिफ्ट किए हम लोग का प्लानिंग लेके. ठीक है, हम लोग कुछ अच्छा आदमी लोग को वीडियो देखे, कुछ क्लासेस वगैरह लिए, तो कुछ चेंजेस आया हम लोग के बीच में भी. तो नाउ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था कि कोई कस्टमर नहीं आ रहा था. तो क्या कर सकते हैं, और पैसा थोड़ा था, खर्चा नहीं करना है। हाँ, तो अब हम लोग कुछ शियालदह से, कोलकाता का शियालदह से हम लोग कुछ फ्लायर्स प्रिंट किए, समथिंग अराउंड 500 फ्लायर्स। अभी फ्लायर हम लोग खबर लिए कि इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने में क्या खर्चा आता है, तो दे सेड समथिंग ये खर्चा आता है 1000 पीस में 600 रुपीज़ का खर्चा आता है। बट मल्टीपल जगह से यही पता चला कि ये लोग फ्लायर्स देगा या नहीं, you don't know. They will take the flyers from you and they will put it in the dustbin. So,
or sell it as a waste.
right, sell it as a waste. So this is a very common practice. तो आई थिंक यार पैसा खराब होगा, तो हम लोग को टेंशन हो गया यार, प्रिंट कर लिए तो पैसा खराब होगा, तो क्या करना है। तो आई वेंट टू गड़िया हाट बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी बिजी प्लेस एंड एट फर्स्ट आई वाज स्टैंडिंग a place, and you can understand like it's a very awkward for me standing in a place and trying to hand over and no one was taking something like that. Okay, so I thought कि यार ऐसा तो कम नहीं बनेगा, we have to plan something different. तो I was trying कि हम लोग का कस्टमर कौन है, that is the time when I understood what is business. कि हम लोग का कस्टमर कौन है, हम लोग का कस्टमर है जिसके पास अपना गाड़ी है, मतलब उसके पास गाड़ी होना चाहिए, तो कार ओनर्स आर आवर कस्टमर। तो मेरे को देख के समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कौन कार ओनर है, उधर तो सभी आ रहा है, हु इज द कार ओनर, हु इज नॉट द कार ओनर। तो मेरे को समझ में आया कि बहुत कार पार्किंग्स है, लेट्स डू समथिंग, लेट्स गो टू द कार पार्किंग प्लेसेस एंड जस्ट आपका वो विंडशील्ड में एक करके घुसा देते हैं, क्योंकि वो मेरा जो पोटेंशियल कस्टमर है उसके पास जाएगा और उसको विजिबिलिटी भी मिल जाएगा और मेरे को एम्बेरेस भी नहीं होना पड़ेगा रास्ता में खड़ा होकर कोई नहीं ले रहा है वो सब लेके। तो आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर दैट इज द फर्स्ट टाइम वन डे आई हैव कवर्ड समथिंग अराउंड आई थिंक 800 और फ्लायर्स, पूरा वो एरिया को पूरा दे दिया। ठीक है, द नेक्स्ट डे आई ब्रिंग वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड यार तू चल मेरे साथ, मेरे को अकेला अकेला थोड़ा कैसा लगता है। हाँ, आदमी 2-3 बार वो पार्किंग वाला भी आके पूछ लिया टिकट नहीं गिरना चाहिए, टिकट गिरेगा तो आके मारेगा, ये सब भी बोल के गया। तो आई नीड मेरे साथ भी 1-2 आदमी रहेगा तो मेरा थोड़ा ये रहेगा। तो नेक्स्ट डे वी वेंट टू द सेम प्लेस, we have done ऐसा करके फर्स्ट में 5000 कंप्लीट हुआ, then we have done 20,000 more in this manner only, not only in गड़िया हाट, then we have done in Eco Park, क्योंकि Eco Park का पार्किंग में बहुत गाड़ी था and mainly we was doing in winter time। तो आपका Eco Park का पार्किंग में, साइंस सिटी का पार्किंग में मैं बस पार्किंग तलाश कर रहा था, कहाँ पार्किंग मिल सकता है। then once a time I still remember I was trying to enter in South City। तो साउथ सिटी में एंटर हुए तो चुपचाप बैग में था घुसा, तो बैग चेक किया, बैग बोला कि ये क्या है, बोला कि ये दिस इज फॉर आवर पर्सनल चीज़ है। हाँ, तो क्या आपका क्या, समथिंग लाइक, तो स्मार्टली घुस गए। उसके बाद पार्किंग एरिया पे गया, देना स्टार्ट किया सब गाड़ी में। तो आके उसका जो मैनेजमेंट है वो पकड़ा कि ये आप क्यों दे रहे हो, बोला कि वैसे नॉर्मली पार्किंग में प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी वैसे नहीं दे सकते हो। तो हम लोग भी मतलब उसके पहले ऑलरेडी हम लोग 25,000 दे चुके हैं, नाउ वी आर लाइक हम तो कैसे भी देंगे, हम लोग देते ही रहे। ठीक है, उसके बाद हम लोग को लेके जाके बैठाया उसका मैनेजमेंट के पास। तो इट्स अ बिग स्टोरी कि हाँ आप लोग ये क्यों दे रहे हो, दिस इज नॉट डन हाउ इट वर्क्स। देन आई स्टिल रिमेंबर द पर्सन, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग द नेम ऑफ हिम। तो
दीप विश्वास
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, दीप स्टिल आई थिंक प्रेजेंटली इज देयर फैसिलिटी मैनेजर। तो एज अ पर्सन तो वो बोला कि वो तुम तो देख के सही घर का लग रहे हो, बट व्हाई यू आर डूइंग दिस टाइप ऑफ स्टफ्स हियर। तो आई सेड हिम कि सर we have started something like this, I shown him this is the app and thing, and he said this is a very nice and you were quite young at that point, मैं और भी छोटा था, तो you are quite young, but the problem is if you do some activation you have to pay something here, and do you want to pay something? I said no sir। then वो बोला कि तब तुम नहीं कर सकते हो, तो वो बोला कि चलो बाहर तक तुमको छोड़ के आता हूँ। तो हम लोग बाहर आए, तो बोला कि मैं अंदर पे बहुत कुछ नहीं बोल पा रहा था, तुम जितना भी हो सके तुमको चुपचाप देना है, कोई भी सिक्योरिटी देखे तुमको भागना है। He told me that thing that day। तो और मेरा लिए तो एकदम मतलब बटर है, तो क्रीम है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि सब अच्छा गाड़ी, हाई एंड कार्स। हाँ, तो उसके बाद तो मैं ऑलरेडी प्लान कर लिया हूँ, साउथ सिटी आज जा रहा हूँ, कल मैं जाऊँगा क्वेस्ट, उसके बाद मैं जाऊँगा मानी स्क्वायर, मैं प्लान कर रहा हूँ ऐसा फर्स्ट दिन ही ऐसा हो गया, तो उस दिन मेरे को समझ में आ गया, अगर आप कोई भी पार्किंग प्लेस जो मॉल पे दे रहे हो, कोई भी देखेगा बुलाएगा तब जाके बात नहीं करना है, दौड़ना है। तो उस दिन से हम लोग दौड़ना स्टार्ट किए। तो दैट्स द इनिशियल जर्नी, तो ऐसे से हम लोग स्टार्ट किए। उसके बाद सबसे बड़ा चीज़ आ गया कोविड, ठीक है। जस्ट ग्रो हो रहा था, जस्ट गाड़ी निकल रहा था। इन 2020 आपका मार्च महीना में कोविड इट केम, तो अगेन एवरीथिंग गोइंग जीरो। बस एक ही काम सही हुआ था कोविड में मेरा, कि मेरे को वर्क फ्रॉम होम मिल गया था। ओके, दैट्स द गेम चेंजर फॉर मी, बिकॉज आई गॉट ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम। क्योंकि मेरा एमएनसी में कैसा होता है, इन आवर्स पोजीशन वी आर द इनिशियल लाइक सॉफ्टवेयर डिजाइनर, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर पोजीशन, तो उतना काम नहीं रहता है। And we are quite smart, okay, तो we know how to like bypass walks and all, तो हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे ही कर लेते थे कि हाँ चलो वीकेंड में जाके हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ मैनेज कर लेंगे। तो what happened COVID में ना, I got huge amount of time. I got huge amount of time to think about the business, what I can do better, what is the next step, how startups grow in India, how startups grow in the world, कैसे Airbnb मॉडल काम किया, कैसे Uber का मॉडल काम किया। So this is multiple case study I have read in the COVID time. So I have done something around I think 82 case studies I have read in the COVID time. तो मेरे को कुछ बिजनेस के बारे में समझ में आया लाइफ में, ये बोलूँगा सेकेंड टाइम मेरे को बिजनेस के बारे में समझ आया कि कैसे स्टार्टअप बनता है। बट ये सब तो हुआ, पैरेलली सब कुछ बंद हो रहा था, बिकॉज हम लोग के पास बहुत ही छोटा ही कुछ पैसा बाकी था, जो हम लोग कहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे समझ में आ नहीं रहा था। तो उस टाइम हम लोग एक काम स्टार्ट किए कि लेट्स, अभी जो कोविड टाइम में जो एसेंशियल मूवमेंट से वो नहीं हो रहा है, तो हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, वी टाइड अप विद ज़ूम कार एंड वी टेक देयर व्हीकल, क्योंकि ज़ूम कार ओनली कार प्रोवाइड करता है, और वो उस टाइम उसका बिजनेस फुल बंद है, बट उसको उसका EMI देना पड़ रहा है। तो इसे कि आपका गाड़ी दो, मैं मेरा ड्राइवर दूंगा, और आई विल ट्राई टू टाई अप विथ ऑल द हॉस्पिटल्स एंड एसेंशियल केयर का जितना भी जगह है उधर पे फॉर द एम्प्लॉय मूवमेंट। तो मैं थोड़ा रिक्स लेके कुछ कनेक्ट्स निकाल के उधर उस टाइम घर से निकल के कुछ नियर बाई मेरा रूबी, उसके बाद टीशन, ये सब जगह पे जाके मिला, एंड समहाउ वी स्टार्टेड गेटिंग सम डील्स, क्योंकि उनके लिए भी बहुत हेडेक था, क्योंकि इट्स लाइक सडन क्लोज, कोई भी ट्रेन, बस, टैक्सी कुछ नहीं चल रहा था। तो व्हाट वी गेव देम अ सॉल्यूशन कि आप जैसे स्पेंसर हो गया, स्पेंसर के साथ भी हम लोग काम किए थे, 1mg, बिग बास्केट्स, मल्टीपल कंपनीज वी हैव वर्कड इन दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, एंड दैट्स अ गेम चेंजर। क्योंकि हमको ड्राइवर बहुत कम पैसा में मिल रहा था, ड्राइवर्स आर वेरी हैप्पी, यार हमको खाना नहीं मिल रहा है, एंड दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वी आर हेल्पिंग अस इन दैट वे, तो दे आर वाज वेरी हैप्पी। एंड इफ इन a normal day if you are paying 100, in that point of time I can pay them 60 and they are happy, so easily I can charge very less amount from the client, तो clients also कि हाँ कम पैसा में हो रहा है और मेरा मूवमेंट्स जा रहा है। We have done this thing for something around 1 year, पूरा 2020 हम लोग स्टार्ट किए थे, आप पकड़ लीजिए अप्रैल मई के टाइम पे, और उसके बाद 1 साल हम लोग किए, and we were very happy because we were making profit. In that year also we made 2.3 CR का business in that year also in COVID hit, because उसके पहले हम लोग का बहुत कम था, उस टाइम हम लोग जंप किए 67 लाख से 2.3 CR तक हम लोग जंप कर गए थे। तो बस वेरी हैप्पी, प्रॉफिट भी बन रहा है, नॉर्मलाइज होना स्टार्ट हुआ, ठीक है। उतना दिन तक तो हम लोग का पुराना बिजनेस हम भूल भी गए थे कि हम लोग ड्राइवर देते थे इधर उधर, अभी तो हम लोग गाड़ी ड्राइवर सब देते हैं, ठीक है, अलग ही सब कुछ शुरू हो गया था। बट फिर से नॉर्मलाइज होना स्टार्ट हुआ, फिर से वी सॉ कि धीरे धीरे एक क्लाइंट निकल गया, सब क्लाइंट वन बाय वन दे आर गॉन, कि हाँ कि उसका खुद का बस ओपन कर लिया, किसी का गवर्नमेंट में कुछ फैसिलिटी दे दिया, स्टार्ट हो गया। अगेन वी आर ए सिचुएशन जो हम लोग का कॉलेज के टाइम पे ख़त्म होने के बाद हम लोग बाहर गए थे, जो था वर्ड्स ऑफ क्लोजिंग, क्योंकि कितना दिन पैसा रहेगा, पैसा खत्म होने वाला है। देन वन डे आई एंड परमार्थ सिट टुगेदर एंड वी सेड कि यार लेट्स टेक ए वेरी स्ट्रेटफॉरवर्ड डिसीजन व्हाट वी शुड डू। इफ वी हैव बिग प्लान्स इन द स्टार्टअप, then we will focus here, otherwise I'll go outside of India for my higher study or my whatever it is, okay। So we took a decision कि let's try once, और एक बार try 0, And this time we will try by everything. We will not keep any backups. हम लोग के पास पहले बैकअप था कि इधर से नहीं होता है तो ऑफिस से बहुत पैसा आता था मंथ ऑन मंथ, ठीक है, तो उधर से तो आता ही है. तो we took a decision कि we are going to leave our job. ओके, तो अभी सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है? घर पे आदमी, घर का आदमी लोग तो पागल ही हो गए. ये क्या पागल हो गए हो क्या? आप बिजनेस करोगे, कर रहे हो करो. पहले बहुत कुछ था कि यानी चलो दोनों कर रहे हो ठीक है, कोई टेंशन नहीं, इधर से तो इतना पैसा आ रहा है, उधर से ना भी आए चलेगा. नाउ दे आर गॉन मैड कि यार व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. आर यू आर प्लानिंग, यू हैव डन दैट मेनी वर्क्स, यू हैव दैट गुड रैंक इन जेईई एंड ऑल, एंड नाउ यू आर डूइंग दिस. अब ड्राइवर तो हो गए, मैं क्या बोलूँगा? जैसे होता है ना 3 Idiots में, मैं क्या बोलूँगा? सब पेरेंट्स का वैसा ही होता है, ठीक है. तो वेयर इनटू दैट, तो समहाउ आई मैनेज. तो बहुत दिन मम्मी पापा से बातचीत नहीं होता था, मम्मी से फिर भी हो जाता था. हाँ, तो उनका तो एक सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर ज़्यादा रहता था. पापा तो यार इससे क्या बात है, बेकार है ये पूरा हम लोग का जो बोलता है कि जनरेशन को खराब कर दिया. बस यही लास्ट है हम लोग का, मतलब इसके बाद हम उसको देखना ही नहीं है ऐसा कोई बच्चा. तो माई एल्डर सिस्टर वाज देयर इन अमेज़न, तो शी वाज सेटल्ड. तो मेरे को कभी कभी ऐसा भी हुआ था इसके बाद में, आई यूज्ड टू कॉल हर कि यार मैं सैलरी नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ, आई नीड सम मनी. तो समटाइम्स ही सेंड सम मनी ऑल्सो कि हाँ यार तू कर ले, बट आई हैव दैट थिंग कि मैं जल्दी जल्दी उसको रीपे करना है. जल्दी में कैसे भी करके उसको रीपे कर दिया. तो ये बहुत दिन चला. तो देन मतलब मैं आज वो बता भी नहीं सकता हूँ कि उसके बाद क्या हुआ. देन वी हैव जस्ट वन गोल कि हमको इसको बड़ा करना है, दैट्स इट, नथिंग. हम लोग कोई भी साइट पे नहीं देखा, कोई भी दूसरा बिजनेस के बारे में नहीं सोचा, कोई जॉब के बारे में नहीं सोचा. हम लोग का पीआर प्रेशर के बारे में हम लोग पूरा डिलीट कर दिए थे. सुबह 7 बजे घुसता था ऑफिस, क्योंकि अगर लोग पापा लोग सब कुछ एक्टिव हो जाएगा तो सुनना पड़ेगा क्या कर रहे हो क्या कर रहे हो. तो पहले घर से निकल जाते थे. जब उन लोग मॉर्निंग वॉक में गया तो हम निकल गए घर से, सबसे बेस्ट है, बात ही नहीं हुआ, ठीक है. रात में पापा सोने के बाद घर आओ, 12 बजे 1 बजे आओ, ठीक है, तो आराम से चुपचाप घर में घुस जाओ, जाके सो जाओ. खा के खाना रखा रहता था, क्योंकि मम्मी को तो कॉल कर लेते थे एवरीडे कि यार क्या खाना है, यार तुम जल्दी आ जाओगे, व्हाट इज दिस इज नॉट डन. बट फुल डे आई वाज इन ऑफिस विद माय को-फाउंडर. वी आर जस्ट बिल्डिंग दिस बिजनेस. We took each and every driver by ourselves. We take the driving test, we do their checkings, their body test, eye checkups. We take calls from the drivers. We assign those drivers to the customers. Today Rajin sir's company is also there. So his company also helped us a lot on the initial day. When we just in the very beginning stage. So like Gujral, I should mention Gujral helped us in that much in our early days, when we were not in that level, but in very interested. They helped us, and really blessed to have this type of people in every stage of our life. We get someone like Gujral sir, okay, and today also in every step we have someone in our life who is helping us in every possible. क्योंकि उस टाइम में प्रॉब्लम अलग था, आज प्रॉब्लम अलग हो गया है. उस टाइम प्रॉब्लम 100 में होता था, आज प्रॉब्लम करोड़ में होता है. बट प्रॉब्लम्स तो प्रॉब्लम्स है, एंड वी आर रियली ब्लेस्ड टू हैव सर. वी हैव ऑल ऑफ यू टू आस्क, जो हम लोग को हेल्प करता है एवरी टाइम, हम लोग को ग्रो करने में हेल्प करता है. आफ्टर वी स्टार्टेड after doing good in Calcutta, we started in Hyderabad. We took a small office in Hyderabad, and it's a big step. So like I go to my dad कि sir देखो मैं हैदराबाद में भी स्टार्ट कर लिया, आप गए हो कभी? Something like that. I have an office in Hyderabad right now. So I have then something changed. तो वो जो एक बार पेस मिल गया ना, then there is never we turn back. So that is the like big thing. And then coming the long story short, so now we are operating in Kolkata, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore. We have offices in all these cities, good offices. But at the day one from where we started, it's a small garage. Okay, we still have that garage with us. That is in Ruby. Please come anytime. And that may not be the fancy one, but that is the closest one to my heart. When the first time we went there, we don't have that much of money to take the first floor. तो we requested the landlady कि अगर आप ये वो पार्किंग में उनका 2 गाड़ी खड़ा था, तो बोला कि मैं इधर से मूव कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे घर पे कुछ नहीं रहेगा, ये खाली रहेगा. हम लोग बोले कि यार सर आप अगर ये कुछ दीवार चढ़ा दोगे तो हम लोग इधर से स्टार्ट करेंगे विद अ वेरी नॉमिनल थिंग. That's the starting of the business, and still now we are here. Whenever I get time, whenever I am in Kolkata, I sit in that office. Whenever I am meeting a VC of maybe 1,000 crores net worth, I call them in my office in Ruby, in that garage. And now the garage is transformed a bit, but that is not at all fancy. Like regarding in our Sector 5 office or in our Bangalore, Delhi office, they are very fancy in nature. And recently we started in Mumbai also. We started with B2B. We took our first office in Bombay, in Kula East. So we are expanding in Bombay and Pune also. And moving forward, we are going to be the one-stop solution for all car owners because the amount of like investors are with us. They are helping us a lot. Like I don't have to say anything because you can understand, without anyone's support, without the blessing of our customers, of our employees, of our drivers, we can't be nothing. Okay, so we are whatever we are today, that is the blessing of everyone, what we are taking ahead. And one dream, if you ask me, then I would say कि still now whenever it comes to Kolkata or East India, so there are a very very low number of tech business came out from this region of India. So we want to be the first unicorn out of Calcutta. So yeah, still now the position is vacant. I want to be like not I, we means not drivers for me, we means that total city want a single example to prove. I am confident enough that I can be the single example which I can prove my city, my place to that level. So with the help of everyone, with help of you sir, all of you, so we definitely can make it. Yeah. So that is the small story about us. There are many inner stories. So that can be done in a different way. Thanks a lot, sir.
Hello. Never in my life I have been asking question to anyone. People always ask me question. This is only for you. I will be asking you a couple of questions so that everybody understands what it is. First of all, I like to summarize what he said. First thing which was evident was hard working, resilience. That was the second factor. When we hear anybody, a motivational speaker, what he says hard working, resilience. Here is an example of hard working, resilience. Foregoing short-term benefits for long-term goals. This guy has a multi-MNC company job. He could have been settled in USA and enjoy his life, but he worked for our country. He developed a software. He distributed pamphlets in the parking zone. So the third message which comes from him is अपने काम में कुछ छोटा नहीं होता. Next thing is what I'm finding is, can you please stop this? I will say, every problem brings an opportunity, but we only look at the problem. If you heard my speeches, at times I say this bottle is half empty, half full. People who are passive in life, who are pessimistic in life, we will always see the bottle empty. The people who are optimistic will see the bottle half full. He found an opportunity. That COVID is the opportunity. The next lesson, what he gave, very important lesson, is do not make your business model rigid. It should be flexible according to circumstances. That's another message. from providing drivers to renting out car and then giving and a win-win situations for drivers, for service providers, and because of that, all of us could get eatables and all necessary things in COVID time at our home. I'm not saying other cities survived, but he was one of the persons because he saw opportunities. So successful man is one who always sees opportunity because he is not inside the problem. He always comes out of the problem and solves it. That's what this gentleman did. The biggest lesson he gave was a penny saved is a penny generated. In business, we always forget the sales is never in our hand. Sales, the price, what is your cost, nobody bothers. ये बॉटल 8 रुपए में मिल रही है, आप अगर साथ में दोगे तो मैं आपसे लूंगा, 9 में क्यों लूंगा? आपका ओजोन वाटर है, आपका हिमालय की गंगा से लाया हुआ है, सिक्किम से लाया हुआ है, nobody bothers. Unless देखो पैसे वालों को कुछ अलग करना होता है तो इसलिए वो अलग अलग तरह का पानी पीते हैं। $2 से लेकर मुकेश अंबानी की भाई लाख रुपए का पानी पीती है एक बोतल, तो दैट्स देयर अफोर्डेबिलिटी एंड देयर वे ऑफ सेइंग तुम अलग हो हम अलग है। But for a normal person who wants to do a business normally, and this is what all successful people do, they curtail their cost, the control of cost is there. That is the backbone. Next thing, he always had that motive of serving the society. So this is another factor. From 60s, I'll be asking you certain number of questions also. And what is more important is, इतना सब होने के बाद इनके जगह जब इनकी कंपनी आज 100 करोड़ की वैल्यूएशन है, I know it for sure because my friends have invested in 100 crore rupees. Even केशव भजन का, I think he invested in 80 crores. 25 crores. Now it is 100 crores. So he's a lucky one. So a person like Kesav Bhajanka and that time 3 more people entered now. Who were there?
Sanjay Agarwal was there.
Sanjay, मतलब Century.
Century Ply.
And then
Vikas Agarwal.
Vikas Agarwal.
Then Western KDS.
Yeah. So there are numerous of people who have joined him because everybody found an opportunity and he has an exit in startup. One factor is very important apart from scaling, profitability and everything. What is the exit route? आप बड़े होते जाओ, बड़े होते जाओ, बड़े होते जाओ, आपको एग्जिट ही नहीं मिलेगा, करोगे क्या? सो एग्जिट का एक पॉलिसी होना चाहिए, बहुत क्लियर पॉलिसी होना चाहिए कि whenever I raise fund in a public issue, so much of secondary will be there, offer for sale will be there. So those policies are very, very clear. Now, having said that, there are many other inferences you can draw from his speech, but I am in a hurry today, so I'm not drawing all those things. But my question to you is a couple of questions. Normally हमने देखा है कि when people makes a small amount of money, उसका look change हो जाता है, उसकी गाड़ी change हो जाती है, उसकी office change हो जाती है. But आपके केस में आज भी आप मैं जानता हूँ because I know it for sure that you bring all the fund managers also to your garage. You have been in my office many times with my son. How do you maintain this? मतलब success के बाद, how come you are so grounded?
So the definition of success is different for everyone. So still now I think I am not successful. I have huge things to achieve.
So we can expect attitude when you are successful.
Not like that.
So you said that. I think I am not successful. So that means we will see your attitude while when you are successful.
So that is not in my blood. That is not in my DNA. When I also see startups, those who are started recently and maybe doing some tractions and raise some fund, their attitude changes. Okay.
And they fail also.
Yeah. So this is all are interrelated. Okay. So you have to go like this. If you go like this, then down to आएगा ही.
नहीं ऐसे में नहीं आता था. This is 45. When you go like this,
then the down comes.
Then the down comes.
45-degree inclination can never bring you down. My next question to you is for the members of this house, that from 67 lakhs, because I know it for sure, your success story I know very well, that you are, incidentally, I would like to inform the members, he is the only startup I have seen which is profitable from day one. Profitable from day one. And all these startups are asset-light company. So when we say asset-light company, that means there is no fixed investments, there are no big expenses of office, fancy staff, fancy this. So you maintain your cost under control, and then from day one you become a profit story. So getting a investor is very easy at that stage. Sir, till the time 2021 when the COVID was open, you were doing a business of 267 lakh, which is not a very good figure to reach this figure. What suddenly, which booty you got? In 4 years, you became 100 crores. That you said to our members, that what you did from 21 to 24, 25 में तो तुम हो गए थे. In 4 years, मैं साला बॉलीवुड में 5 साल से हूँ, आज भी नहीं हुआ. Whereas I am seen everywhere. How did you change this?
So I believe it's the change of mindset. Okay. Before COVID, I was doing it as a secondary thing. Okay, because I have a very well-paid job in my back. कि हाँ कुछ भी ना होगा उधर से तो लाख पैसा आ जाएगा. Okay. So now when it started, when it post-COVID era, then we are fully focused into this, and our mind is यार अभी तो कुछ way out है ही नहीं.
नहीं राजेश राव, आप गोल गोल घुमा रहे हो सबको. अब सीधी सीधी मुझे बताओ, मेहनत कौन नहीं कर रहा है यहाँ पे? Who is not doing labor? Tell me. Are you not? Are you not on the site at 10 o'clock night also? So मेहनत सब करते हैं यार. ये छोड़ो, दूसरा जॉब छोड़ दिया, वो तो ठीक है, मैं भी समझता हूँ यार. एक ही रखना पड़ेगा, घर वाली या बाहर वाली. लेकिन सवाल ये है कि ऐसा कौन सा संजीवनी बूटी आपके पास आया विद नो फैमिली बैकग्राउंड ऑफ बिजनेस कि आपने 15 करोड़, 10 करोड़ से 15 करोड़, 18 करोड़, 25 करोड़, 40 करोड़, 80 करोड़, 100 करोड़ तक चले गए. मतलब what was your turning point? When was you feel that now I can raise fund? This is the first round. What was your first round?
Okay, the first round we raised. मैं फिर भी आपका आंसर तो डायरेक्टली नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ, फिर भी आपका साइड आंसर ही दे रहा हूँ. I also don't know what is the booty I took at that point of time, but something we did that went well, that went the right direction. तो मैं एक छोटा चीज़ ही बताता हूँ इसके साथ ऐड करने में. सर माइंडसेट बहुत चेंज होता है आदमी का, वो बहुत कुछ चेंज कर देता है. प्रीवियसली ना बिफोर कोविड हम लोग को जब इनिशियली कुछ बुकिंग्स होता था, that point of time supply is a very big issue in this type of matchmaking platforms. We do demand and supply matching end of the day, just like how Ola, Uber they are doing, maybe new generation dating apps, Tinder, Bumble they are also doing. Okay, so we are that type of tech company. We are doing the supply match, demand matching. तो कोविड का पहले भी ना हम लोग का ड्राइवर नहीं रहता था, तो क्या होता था उस टाइम कि यार लेट्स इग्नोर दिस, हाँ ये क्लाइंट का कॉल नहीं पकड़ते, ठीक है क्लाइंट बहुत डाल देगा. कोविड के बाद क्या हुआ ना, व्हेन वी आर दैट मच सीरियस ऑन इनटू दिस बिजनेस ना, सो आई वेंट टू द कस्टमर प्लेस आल्सो, आई ड्रोव द कस्टमर कार आल्सो, ठीक है, आफ्टर कोविड. This is the seriousness what came after COVID. I don't know what happened and all. Maybe the COVID time, because I gone through that many case studies, how company built, how different big startups they started, initial days, about the initial days, the founders' backgrounds and all.
Sorry to disturb you. I think people here in such organizations, they have read more books than you and I have read. Let me tell you
I'll
very
just
clearly.
clarify his question. What was that moment when you felt that, yeah, I've cracked this? When you're
No. Before that, let me ask 3 more questions which are important. सर, ओला का भाई है उबर का भाई है ओला, कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं. आपने जर्नी शुरू की, आपके भी कॉम्पिटिटर तो है ना आज इंडिया, वैसा तो है नहीं. ड्राइवर्स फॉर मी है तो ड्राइवर्स फॉर यू भी है. There are many competitors.
Definitely.
So how do you distinguish your services with theirs. And like Ola Uber, do you also charge different money at different hours on a different dates? if शादी का सीजन है तो हमारे ड्राइवर 1400 लेंगे, नॉन शादी like you what are your ways of handling, how do you see competition? And यहाँ तो सर कलकत्ते शहर है, इंडिया में एक खास बात है, जो चीज़ चलती है 15 दिन के बाद सब लोग चालू कर लेते हैं. अभी आप यहाँ से जाओगे सब लोग सोचेंगे ये ऐप बनाना कितना डिफिकल्ट है. So what I'm trying to say is because I mean, yeah, how do you differentiate yourself? Why do you people come and invest in you? Don't tell me that I am good looking and all this. The problem is how and how many rejections are there in your business? Like customer has called your driver, but when he went there, he said, no, I don't need it. And how many times you fail to provide a driver when a call comes? Now,
Okay, so starting from your last question, so presently we have a 94.83% success ratio presently in Pan India level. So we improved it a lot. So the minimum I can remember is 62.3% also. It came down to that. But then we have started many incentive programs to the drivers. Incentive is one thing what drivers are very happy because end of the day they are a blue collar employees. Okay, another one very big thing what I have understood from the business, because we are handling manpower, okay, and manpower handling is the biggest tough job. So we provide them life insurance. They are very happy when they are getting life and medical insurance and their family members are getting it, as they are not belong from any big company or a full-time worker place.
one thing I want to tell you, I had to change my 4 drivers because after finishing my duty, they were working for drivers for me. And in the morning when I used to call them, they used to feel sleepy. So, is there any system in your organization where it says if you are full-time employed, we will not employ you?
We can't track that. We can't track that. What I can suggest in the coming app, we are coming with a subscription model to finish the full-time driver system in India. So you just book the subscription model from us.
मेरा तो 3 भेज दे. See, I have been asking these questions because today the number of members were very low. So I just wanted to brief his speech, and since this guy is also speaking from heart, let us give him a good round of applause. And see, the message to the world is, we always discuss small problems. Problems are there in life. Who does not have problem? Tell me. But you have to find a solution to the problem.
Yeah.
When I give you example of Dhirubhai Ambani, his way of doing business was M, margin कितना मिलेगा, P, second, प्रोडक्ट का प्रेजेंस कितनी जगह है, एंड स्केबिलिटी कितना होगा, कितनी डिमांड क्रिएट हो जाएगी. सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, व्हेन अनपढ़ आदमी कैन डू दिस, व्हाई कैन नॉट? ही बिलीव इन दिस कि मुझे प्रोडक्ट चाहिए, मुझे उसकी स्केबिलिटी चाहिए, और दूसरा उसकी कितनी डिमांड जनरेट, व्हाट इज द प्रेजेंट प्रोडक्ट का वैल्यूएशन, व्हाट इज द demand today, what is the market today, and what will be the demand in the coming years. We choose a wrong product and we fall into the trap. And before I leave, because I'll be leaving in 2 minutes, one business lessons I want to give of 1 minute. Noodle is also 2 minutes and this is 1 minute. 4 types of temperaments are there in business. One is aggressive. तू मेरे को समझता क्या है, तेरे जैसे बहुत देखे मैंने. This is the first temperament. This is the first type of people. Second is avoiding. You could not fulfill the customers, so you start avoiding him. और अरे मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता, वो आए तो आए, नहीं आए तो नहीं आए. This is the second one, which is called avoiding. Third is a pleasing. आप ही माई बाप हो, आप जो करोगे आप ही को है, आप ही को देखना है, हम तो आपको सिवाय कहीं जाते ही नहीं है. एंड फोर्थ इज assertive. Do what you commit and be firm on your commitments. And I think out of 4, we should choose only the last one if we really want to be successful. Because aggressiveness in business will not help you. Secondly, avoiding a problem will make the problem bigger. And unnecessarily maskabaji. See, I have created a very good phrase. मैं लोगों को तेल लगाता हूं, मस्का नहीं लगाता हूं. अब आप समझिए कि तेल लगाना और मस्का मारना में क्या फर्क है. बहुत बड़ा फर्क है, आपकी सोच में नहीं आ सकता. जब किसी नट में जंग लग जाता है तो हम उसमें तेल लगाते हैं रात को और सुबह उसको खोल के फेंक देते हैं. तो जब मैं तेल लगा रहा हूं, आप समझ लो he is an unwanted subject in my life and tomorrow I am going to throw him out. That is the big difference between buttering and तेल लगाना. और ये आपको किसी किताब में नहीं मिलेगा. This is generated by me.
सर पेटेंट करा लिया
ना भाई मैं जाऊँगा. मेरा ससुराल की सब भिजवानी है तो समझने की कोशिश कर. I thank you all for listening him very patiently. Anybody if has any questions, Swati had a question, you can ask him.
Yeah, sure.
But please, I will take because already मैं तो निहारिका समझ के एक्सेप्ट कर लिया था. जब वहाँ जाके देखा तो बंद पड़ा था. मैं बोला कहाँ है कहाँ. तो मैं
नहीं शादी होगा सर आज.
नहीं बंद होगा पूरा ही बनता है पूरा सैटरडे डाउन उसका. So I will take leave from all of you and अगली बार भैया पैसे जमा करा देना. मैं आ जाऊँगा मोटिवेशन फीस देने. Free booking is बंद.